as he always is. Zayed, Mission Istanbul is what you're doing in films. What's your mission tonight?
Here I'm on Mission Friendship, which is a really good buddy of mine, Dheeraj Vadhavan and Kapil Vadhavan have opened this place called Sancho's. It's a Mexican joint. Great food, great atmosphere, lots of lovely people. I'm here in the capacity of a friend, and of course, for me, my friends mean a lot. So I wish them all the best, and I hope they go from strength to strength.
We're talking restaurants, we're talking food. How much of a foodie are you really?
And you know I'm a cook. I'm a big foodie. You know, I mean, it doesn't look like it and all that, but unfortunately, you know, we are like in that profession where half the time we are dieting and complaining about how impossible it is to diet with all the good food around. But yeah, I'm a big foodie. I love lots of cuisines. My favorite being Indian, second Italian, Thai, Mexican occasionally. But, you know, nobody's caught my fancy as yet. I hope this restaurant does.
Now, that was a long list of cuisines that you like. How do you shed all that weight?
Well, you know, it's play hard, work hard, and burn the calories. I mean, at the end of the day, if you kind of work it out and you're constantly on your workout schedules, then you can eat whatever you want. It's only like when you don't work out and you're lazy about it, then you're thinking about, oh, you know, I have to diet, I have to do this. But I mean, I look at it like eat whatever you want. Of course, keeping certain things in mind that, you know, you shouldn't. But other than that, you know, just work hard and eat hard.
My last question to you. The Dark Knight releases this weekend. Is that a film you'd like to watch? The Dark Knight releases this weekend.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, I'm a big DC comic book fan. From Superman to Batman. I mean, I used to have all the costumes when I was a kid. So, of course, I'm a big fan of Batman. And you know, Heath Ledger, this is his last performance, so I think, you know, as an actor, I'd like to pay tribute to him and watch it, and I think by the reports of what I hear on the internet, he's done a fabulous job, so I'm sure it's going to be great.
Well, unfortunately, Zayed, you just missed the premiere of Dark Knight in Mumbai, but I'm sure you'll catch it sometime.
I hate going for the premieres of Dark Knight. I like to go with the public and watch the film.
Well, that's fabulous. He wants to watch it with the public, but of course, some select few got the chance to enjoy the premiere in Mumbai, and he's still being funny.